All right, thanks, Ashley. Golf season is in full swing, and here to help you learn how to avoid injuries and make sure you're getting the most out of your game is Sarah Emlaw, physical therapist and site supervisor for Hartford HealthCare Rehabilitation Network. Welcome.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Oh, thanks for being here. So what does Hartford HealthCare Rehabilitation Network's golf enhancement program consist of?
Yeah, so we work with patients of various injuries. We have clinicians from a physical therapy standpoint or an occupational therapist that work with golfers, and once they're ready, we take them through a golf-specific movement screen, which basically tells us if there's mobility and stability limitations that we can address in their programming. Essentially, it's looking at the golfer and making sure that the stresses that naturally occur during the golf swing that their body can handle and make sure they can return to golf safely. We also see them from a performance enhancement standpoint. So if they're just looking to see how their body is moving in a golf swing, we can do that too and make suggestions.
Okay, who is the target audience for your program?
So we see patients who are recovering from an injury or even surgeries. A lot of the physicians will send them to our program looking for a safety clearance return to play, or we see people who are just looking to better their golf game as well.
All right, and what is the most important thing that people should know about the program?
Yeah, so golf is it's a lifelong sport, which is awesome. You can start at any age. You can start when you're young. You can start when you're in your 50s, and you can play through the entire lifespan. So it's really important to take care of your body so that your body can endure that stress for however long you enjoy the game. I really like it because it's at any level too. So if you really want to be serious about it, you can, and if you want to, just go out for more of a social setting, that's fine too.
It is a great sport. My husband and my daughter are golfing right now. All right, as a golfer yourself, what do you like best about this program?
I love working with people of different levels. I think people are really passionate about the sport, which is awesome. It's an outdoor sport, so we're dying inside right now with the weather. It's so awesome outside. I really like being able to give people the tools and the strategies to keep going in their game and reduce the risk of injuries. It's a really awesome sport, and I love this part about my job.
All right, quick last question, Sarah. What are some good exercises?
Yeah, every individual is different, and everybody's going to need to work on different things. Research is really coming out with a lot more data that supports having a proper warm-up. So before even going to the driving range, having a dynamic warm-up for dynamic stretches in your toolbox is really important. Making sure that your pelvis is moving front and back, that you're working on your hips, being able to rotate for a backswing and follow through phases, and really getting the body prepped for what you're going to ask it.
All right, Sarah Emlaw with Hartford HealthCare Rehabilitation. Thank you so much.